What do you feel listening this type of music? I think most of you feel tired. Have you ever asked yourself why and how you sleep? Personally, I do. Of course, every process in our body is explained in biology. We sleep due to the accumulation of adenosine hormone throughout the day, which make us more and more tired. Once asleep, this hormone is break down. Before proceeding to the main part, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sharip Aynur. I am first year student at Nazarbayev University, and today I will tell you about sleep cycle. Sleep is a state of lessened concise and decreased physical activity, during which organism slow down and repair itself. Sleep cycle consists of 5 stages. They are introduction to sleep, beginning of sleep, slow wave sleep, delta sleep, rapid eye movement. In this video, I would like to tell you about each stage of the sleep in terms of body reaction and brain activity. Because there are so many types of brain waves. There are delta wave, zeta wave, beta wave, alpha wave, and gamma waves. By the end of my presentation, I would like you to understand the importance of the sleep and comprehend each stage of sleep. The first stage of the sleep cycle is called introduction to sleep. The length of the stage is 7 minutes. According to Mattis in Fundamental of Sleep Technology, the stage is begin when pineal gland began to release melatonin, a hormone which is responsible for making us sleepy. This stage is marked by slowdown of brain activity and muscle relaxation. Also, heart rate and breathing rate is decreased and body temperature drop. When person is alert and awake, the brain produces beta waves. However, when brain began to relax, the brain produces alpha waves. There is a two strange sensation happen in this stage. First is hypogonic hallucination and second myoclonic jerk. First, hypogonic hallucination, when you feel of falling down or someone calling your name or telephone is ringing. The second stage sensation is called myoclonic jerk. We can observe this sensation during lectures when observing someone's head is nodding.
So he used that. He said he doesn't buy it.
The second stage of the sleep cycle is called beginning of sleep. This stage lasts for 20 minutes. There is a further slowdown of brain activity and muscle activity. Also, heart rate slow down and body temperature drop. According to Barry Richards in Fundamental of Sleep Medicine 2012, our brain began to produce rapid rhythmic brain waves called sleep spindles. The third stage of the sleep cycle is called slow wave sleep. This is a transition between light and deep sleep. There is a physical and mental energy build up and body get rest. In this stage, brain activity and muscle activity decrease significantly. The brain began to produce slow waves, mostly delta sleep. The first stage of the sleep cycle is called delta sleep because, according to Feldman in Understanding of Psychology 2004, more than 50% of the brain waves is delta waves. This one. Delta sleep is a deepest sleep, so it's almost impossible to awake this person, and the stages last for 30 minutes. Bedwetting and walking occur in this stage. The last stage of the sleep cycle is called rapid eye movement. During this stage, the brain function improves and long-term memory is created. Rapid eye movement stage is characterized by eye movement, increased heart rate, increased respiration rate. Sometimes this stage is also referred as paradoxical sleep because while our brain and other systems become active, our muscles become paralyzed. Most dreaming occur in this stage. Dreaming occurs due to the increased brain activity. The first stage of the rapid eye movement cycle lasts for 90 minutes, but with each stage it becomes longer. To conclude, in my presentation, I'll tell you about sleep cycles in terms of body reaction and brain waves. There is a 5 stage of the sleep cycle. They are introduction to sleep, beginning of sleep, slow wave sleep, delta sleep, rapid eye movement. The main purpose of my presentation is to give you better understanding with the process of sleep. I would like to finish by a quote of the Mahatma Gandhi. Each night when I go to sleep, I die, and in the next morning when I wake up, I reborn. Thank you.